Hello and welcome to my tutorial for how to begin making a Discord bot. So we're not actually going to be doing any coding in this session. This is just how to create the bot and get it into your server. So before you start, you're going to actually need to have a Discord server. So I have one. It's just the official server for my bot, my actual bot, but I can just add it here. And so you're going to need to make one first. Once you've done that, you can go to discord.com/developers. The link is in the description. Sorry if it's laggy. And you should be taken to here. So now we're just going to create we're going to go here, new application. For now, we're not going to worry about a team, but we can just create the name. So I'm just going to say YT tutorial bot. This is not the actual name we'll have. This is just the name of the application. So now that we're going to go here, and we're going to say, and we're going to go to bot. We're going to go add bot. Yes, do it. We don't necessarily want this to be called YT tutorial bot. It doesn't really matter though. You can call it whatever you want, and you can add an icon, do whatever. Public bot, if you only want it to be added by yourself, so if you're making a bot specifically for one server or whatever, then just uncheck this like that. So I'm gonna do that so that nobody can add this. And then don't worry about any of this, but what we're gonna need, you're gonna want to go to this website here. The link is in the description. Just paste that in there. Go here, copy your client ID, copy client ID, just select administrator for now. You might want to enable two-factor authentication just to avoid complications. Select administrator, or you can decide what permissions you want to have. I would select administrator. Click this. Oh, and by the way, the server you're gonna need to have manage server permissions on it. So on this page, select the server. Okay, I've selected my server. Continue. Confirm that you want to grant this. Authorize. Do the capture. So now you're going to see it's authorized here. Now it doesn't really matter. Now we're going to go to here, and you can see YT tutorial bot is in here. And yeah, we've got the bot. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.